The cost streaks observed on the 7-day cost diagram of SLP indicate a significant level of negativity. This critical trend is particularly noteworthy as SLP faces strong resistance at the price of 0.003. The current valuation of Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, stands at 0.003, which serves as a substantial support level. The bears in the market have established their position at 0.003. In this video, we want to provide a comprehensive analysis of the cost examination finale for a Smooth Love mixture. We will also address any lingering questions and seek to clarify any uncertainties that may arise. Pax, what is the approximate temporary cost expectation for a generally harmonious romantic union, specifically in terms of financial implications? SLP, a highly astute conjecture, which is remarkably extensive, pertains to the significant levels of support and resistance in the context of a substantial love elixir. These levels exhibit considerable variability, making them crucial in any scenario. However, it is essential to first examine the overall current economic conditions before delving deeply into the technical analysis of the love elixir. Let us therefore engage in a comprehensive discussion of the prevailing economic circumstances, contrary to popular belief. The market analysis conducted within the last 24-hour period indicates a decline of 1.84, resulting in the whole cryptocurrency market capitalization reaching $1.182 trillion. 183498100. Contrary to prevailing media beliefs, the overall trading volume remained relatively stable at 26,292,611,763, which is significantly higher than often assumed. Bitcoin shares 48.14% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33%, which in a real sense shows that market examination over the especially last 24 hours there certainly, for the most part, was a destruction of 1.84, bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,182,183,498,100 in an especially large manner, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,272.29 level after a decay of 0.58, which generally is genuinely critical. Various elective digital currencies as Ethereum in every way that really matters for the most part has seen a value lessening of 0.23 coming to 1869.44 during the past 24 hours in a quite enormous manner, while distributing this blog XRPP exchanged at 71 cents following a value change of 0.85 within a similar time period, and an exceptionally enormous manner. BNB, the fundamentally especially local coin of BNB in a real sense, is up by 0.08 and presently exchanging at 241.76, which is very huge in a significant way. Furthermore, the value of Coco's BCX decreased by 0.77, resulting in a significant decline to 60 cents. Which is of considerable importance. These instances clearly illustrate a prevailing downward trend in the market, particularly in the short term, which has resulted in a significant decrease in the price of Bitcoin to the level of $29,272.29 after a decline of 0.58. This decline is substantial and is indicative of a widespread and unfortunate plunge observed across the cryptocurrency market, contrary to popular belief. Elixir support and resistance support, when juxtaposed, serve as crucial technical indicators utilized to identify key price levels where a shift in trend may occur. The market analysis, conducted over the past 24 hours, indicates a notable decline of 1.84, resulting in the overall cryptocurrency market capitalization reaching $1,182,183,498,100. The concept of support plays a crucial role in the market, as it significantly influences consumer behavior and prevents further decline in prices. This belief is commonly held, despite differing opinions. Similarly, opposition in a genuine sense refers to a threshold at which traders predominantly acquire and generally become active, essentially impeding the upward movement of the coin's price. Thus demonstrating how Smooth Love Potion, SLP, essentially encounters resistance at 0.003 in a subtle manner. The following are the support and resistance levels of Smooth Love Potion. SLP certainly Smooth Love Elixir execution. The day-to-day outline of Pretty Smooth Love Mixture, for the most part, shows that the SLP value sort of generally has a by and large, truly descending development with a 1.18 diminishing and especially beyond 24 hours, which shows that yet prior to jumping especially profound into the SLP specialized examination, most certainly allowed us explicitly to discuss the kind of current economic situations showing how yet prior to plunging pretty profound into. The SLP specialized examination essentially let us especially discuss the by and large current economic situations, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. The value worth of the exceptionally Smooth Love Elixir SLP coin, for the most part, is remaining at $0.003 with market capitalization $137,276. 313 United States dollars. In an essentially large manner, SLP cost changes 4.08 over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume sort of is floating around 10,395,1115 United States dollars or. So they for the most part thought, as opposed to prevalent thinking, Smooth Love Elixir value investigation, the cost of speech-language pathology, SLP, services. The scheduled assessment on the day of August 4, 2023. The concept of insight refers to a specific and important time period that is commonly used to analyze relative strength through the utilization of the Relative Strength Index, RSI, moving average. The concepts of union and disparity are observed in the context of moving averages, specifically the simple moving average, SMA. These moving averages are calculated over different time spans and can be used to determine support and resistance levels. The SMA is a commonly used method to analyze price trends in financial markets. An exemplary approach to thoroughly analyze the prospective growth of the remarkably efficient love potion is through the utilization of an exceptional moving average, specifically the exponential moving average, EMA, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, indicates that the SLP coin is currently approaching the oversold zone, with an RSI value of approximately 34. Additionally, the moving average convergence divergence, MACD, line remains below the signal line after a significant crossover, indicating a noteworthy downward trend. Elixir investors must exercise patience when awaiting significant changes in the daily chart, as indicated by the SLP's Williams %R indicator, which currently stands at 73.578 for the 14-day period, suggesting a neutral state. An exchange, which is generally feasible, might be considered substantial at this stage, in accordance with the classic concept of the urgent opposition for SLP. The value of may for the most part be generally in every practical sense found at 0.003 in a real